Hi, it's Aqua with WTI, and I have been so pleased with my new handles.
If you're looking to renovate or maybe just make a nice change up to your bathroom, these cabinet door pulls from Koofizo are a great way to do that. I wanted to add some personality to my fairly simple bathroom vanity, and these did just the trick. They look really nice, really give it some personality, and I love the way they look. They are really nice and quality as well, and these are definitely going to stand the test of time. This is the 3-inch square foot arched cabinet pulls in the finish oil rub bronze. But these come in many sizes and finishes, whatever is your style and needs. One of the hardest parts about installing handles is getting the correct screw length. So what's really nice is they give you both. They give you both an inch and an inch and a half to make it easier for you to make sure that the handles are going to fit. We found that the screws and the handles and all the threadings were really quality, so we didn't have any break on us or any trouble installing these whatsoever. It was a very easy DIY project. It took us about an hour, and we were super pleased with the outcome. So if you're looking for a timeless hardware for your cabinets, definitely check these out. I highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.